And what else you want to say?
And we are going on train to come to you. Mama. अब दिखाओ.
अब पहले बताओ. Give some message to your mama also, and give some message to Vanshu also.
Vanshu, we love you. We'll give you your gift. Thanos.
And Kian, any message?
Vanshu, we love you. We'll give you your gift. Thanos.
ऐसे करो ऐसे ऐसे करो ऐसे
वो खुद के बाल ही काट रहे हैं. वो खुद के बाल ही काट रहे हैं. अरे उनके पैरों ने.
ऊपर करो ना ऐसे ऐसे
Every animal volume you have in here immediately.
Please, I'm in the middle of a high-level special royal project. Oh, not that royal? Oops. Toxic. Oh. Hello. Not bad, you know.
फोटो.
चलो अच्छे से जाना.
मम्मा बंद कर दो.
सब एंजॉय करना.
बाय कर दो.
मामा की शादी एंजॉय करके आना. ओके.
बाय कर दो. बाय. बाय बाय. बाय कर दो.
बाय बाय.
दादी को करो.
बाय बाय दादी बाय.
Going.
We are going to Mama's wedding.
Where is?
Mama's wedding in Mama की शादी.
In Mama की शादी. Where is Mama की शादी?
In Mama's house.
Where is Mama's house?
In Nainital.
In Nainital. Where are we going?
In Mama's
For Mama's wedding. Where is Mama's wedding?
in Mama's house.
Mama's house. Where is Mama's house?
In
Where is Nani's house?
Nani's house. It's far away. Far away in Bunny Park.
Not Bunny Park. It's in Nainital. Very good. क्या?
इसकी कंटिन्यू.
What are you watching? What was that?
Engine.
Engine. Engine.
Engine.
Whose engine? What was it again?
Train's engine.
Train.
Train's engine.
Train's engine. What does it do?
The train's engine.
Thought.
क्या कर रहे हो? क्या कर रहे हो अम्मा?
Loudly बोल.
क्या कर रहे हो अम्मा? हम भी बैठे हैं. पता है कि कैसे आँख होता है.
भूल गई क्या? दादी को.
अब दादी के फोन पे कर लेंगे. चलो अम्मा से हो गई.
अम्मा.
चलो हम आपको फोन ऐसे वीडियो कॉल करते रहेंगे. ठीक है चलो बाय.
बाय.
बाय करो. अम्मा को बाय करो.
थैंक यू. बाय. थैंक यू. बाय.
अम्मा को.
Mama, the train has glitter on the floor.
Because it is for fairy.
Mama, can you?
खाओ खाओ खाना खाओ. फिर कुछ और खाना. ऐसे एंजॉय करते. और रात हो जाएगी फिर.
हाँ. यहाँ पे पीछे और बॉक्सेस हैं. One long big box. I get Aslan button. One car which is when that be the fastest car.
car button, not a car.
No, but I learned about the car, but the car stop. Can you tell me?
McQueen.
Already, but Tata. You know
कर दो। मैं तो एक बार पढ़ लेता हूँ फिर वो ही भेज देंगे इनको
Oh my
क्लैरिफिकेशन के।
clarification.
Oh.
Your body. So please contented. Yeah. He took out the room. And the tree walked happily. But the rabbit suddenly, rabbit twiggled its ears and laughed so loudly that the tree stuck back. He went to the horse and grabbed the horse. Suddenly, the tree turned into an animal, which was called a monkey. The monkey turned like Pinky, then it can move. Then he got stuck back into the fire. Who were joining on the full tired Daniel. A giraffe came out. Everybody were amazed.
हाँ नु
इसको लगा देते हैं नहीं ये पीछे देखता है ठीक डायनासोर की हाफ स्टिक नहीं है Book of a phone.
Are you getting crazy?
What?
A book of a phone.
Are you getting crazy?
A book of a phone. Ow, 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 ow,
I
ow.
don't want to make
I don't know.
toys.
Kiara, do you want to ask riddle?
Now your time to do it.
I asked you, na? Oh, Kiara forgot. Chalo. Huh.
Now your turn.
Okay, I'll ask.
When will night come?
After half
I'll
an hour.
record.
No, I'm asking you. So, ow! Tell me one thing which is part of a human body. Okay, which is part of. Kiara, idhar jana, tabhi I can record you. Which is part of a human body, but without it you cannot sit.
Kandi.
Okay, now Papa's turn.
Papa, your turn to riddle. But no parallel riddles.
It is part of your body and you taste the food with it.
Tongue.
No. On the tongue, what is that thing?
Pepile.
Yeah.
What?
Pepile.
Papille. Okay, now my turn. Tell me the longest bone in your body.
Skin.
Bone, not organ, bone.
क्या क्रीम खा रही है क्या?
Yes.
It's femur.
Femur. What is femur?
It's a bone, thigh bone. This is femur.
We can't joint our parts with femur.
Okay, tell me the largest body organ.
Femur.
It's one of the sense organ also.
Skin.
Skin. Good job.
मैं तो ऐसे touch करके बोलना
Okay, now Papa's turn to ask.
Now your turn.
A mammal which
outside.
Which flies?
A mammal flies. Bird. Papa.
Birds are not mammal, first of all.
A mammal. Papa, ये लोग का question नहीं.
क्या इधर क्या पूछ रहे थे आप मम्मी से? क्या ना भी क्या पूछ रहे थे आप?
खाने के लिए क्या पूछा तो पापा रिकॉर्ड कर रहे, कुछ तो बता दो। वंशु की मम्मी कैसे खाना बनाते हैं?
इधर देख के बता, पूछ क्या पूछ रहे थे?
मैं बोलूंगी पापा.
क्या पूछ तो जल्दी। Can ask about dinner
When will we come to Nainital?
tomorrow morning. Ask about dinner. What were you asking?
About Vanshu की मम्मी, something you were saying ना?
मैं रोज नहीं खाती peanut butter.
Hmm?
मैं रोज नहीं खाती peanut butter.
पीनट भी उसमें खा ले, क्या तो खा रहा है।
Peanut butter sandwich I eat.
कम पड़ेगी तो एक तो मेरे को भी खा लेंगे इससे।
खा ले खा ले।
हेलो